हाय फ्रेंड्स मु सुशांत वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ओडिया जीके जोन। फ्रेंड्स आज आम कंप्यूटर 40 इंपोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चन विषय में आलोचना करवा। फ्रेंड्स ये जीके क्वेश्चन मुख्यतः विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आसी थाए। तो फ्रेंड्स आम पार्ट 1 प्रीवियस क्लास रे आलोचना करथिले। आपन जदि देखि नांती तबे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अछि देखि नेबे। चैनल रे नुआ थिले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर दियंतु, जहा द्वारा एबोली इंपोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चन आपन पाखरे सर्वप्रथम पहुंची परिबो। तो फ्रेंड्स चलंतु वीडियो स्टार्ट करबा। Integrated circuit or chips used in computers are made with dash copper, aluminum, gold, silicon, silver. Friends, our answer is silicon. Next question. A complete electronic circuit with a transistor and other electronic components on a small silicon chips is called dash workstation, CPU, magnetic disk, integrated circuit, complex circuit. Friends, our answer is integrated circuit. Next question. PCSR consists fourth generation and contain dash information, data, vacuum tubes, microprocessor, transistor. Friends, our answer is microprocessor. Next question. Artificial intelligence is an example of dash first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation of computer. Friends, our answer is fifth generation of computer. Next question. First computer of India is dash Param, Siddharth, IBM 370, Cray 1. Friends, our answer is Siddharth. Next question. Computer's basic architecture was developed by dash John von Neumann, Charles Babbage, Blaise Pascal, Jordan Mon. Friends, our answer is John von Neumann. Next question. Who developed integrated chips? Robert Knight, C. Babbage, J. S. Kilby, C. V. Raman. Friends, our answer is J. S. Kilby. Next question. In latest generation of computer, the instructions are executed dash only parallel, only sequentially, both 1 and B, either 1 or 2. Friends, our answer is both 1 and 2. Next question. Microcomputer hardware consists of three basic categories of physical equipment dash keyboard, monitor, hard drive, system unit, input output memory, system unit, input or output secondary storage, system unit, primary storage, secondary storage. Friends, our answer is system unit input output or memory. Next question. Which of the following option correctly express the meaning of the term PCS? Independent computers for all working staff, personal computers widely available to individual workers with which they can access information for layer system and increase their personal productivity. Packed computer system formed by joining together of various computer terminals, computers manufactured by the Pentium company, none of the above. Friends, our answer is personal computers widely available to individual workers with which they can access information from their system and increase their personal productivity. Next question देखिबा. Which of the following is a small microprocessor based computers designed to be used by any person at a time? Netbook, supercomputer, all-in-one, notebook, personal computer. Friends, our answer is personal computer. Next question. Tablet PC is a type of dash microcomputer, supercomputer, mini computer, mini-frame computer. Friends, our answer is microcomputer. Next question. Computers that are portable and convenient to use for users who travel are known as dash supercomputers, mini computers, mini frame computers, laptops. Friends, our answer is mini frame computer. Next question. Desktop and personal computers are also known as dash. Supercomputers, servers, mainframes computers, peripheral equipment, microcomputers. Friends, our answer is microcomputers. Next question. Which of the following use a handheld operating system? A supercomputer, a personal computer, a laptop, a mainframe computer, a PDA. Friends, our answer is a PDA. Next question. Palm top computer is also known as dash. Personal computer, notebook computer, tablet PC, handheld computer. Friends, our answer is handheld computer. Next question. A central computer that holds collection of the data and programs for many PCs, workstation and other computers is a dash. Supercomputer, mini computer, laptop, server. Friends, our answer is server. Next question. Which computer is used for computer aided design calculations? Mini computers, mini frame computer, supercomputer, microcomputer. Friends, our answer is mini computer. Next question. Which of the following is generally costlier? Server, notebook computer, personal computer, laptop computer, mini frame. Friends, our answer is mini frame. Next question. The user generally applies dash to access mini frame or supercomputer. Terminal, node, desktop, handheld. Friends, our answer is node. Next question. These are specially designed computers that perform complex calculation extremely rapidly. Servers, supercomputers, laptops, mainframes. Friends, our answer is supercomputers. Next question. A dash is a large and expensive computer capable of performing scientific and business application. Supercomputer, mini-frame computer, mini computer, handheld computer. Friends, our answer is supercomputer. Next question. First supercomputer developed in India is dash. Param, Cray-1, Param Mission, IPROM. Friends, our answer is Param. Next question. Pratyush is dash fastest supercomputer in the world. First, second, third, fourth. Friends, our answer is fourth. Next question. Pratyush supercomputer is dedicated for dash multimedia, weather forecasting, recreation, military personnel. Friends, our answer is weather forecasting. Next question. Which of the following in the India first multi-platform supercomputer? Param, Pratyush, Param Mission, 3 and 2. Friends, our answer is Pratyush. Next question. Analog computer works on the supply dash continuous electrical pulse but not continuous magnetic strength, physical strength. Friends, our answer is continuous electrical pulse. Next question. Seismographs is an example of dash analog computer, digital computers, hybrid computers, all of these. Friends, our answer is analog computer. Next question. These computers work by calculating the binary digits, hybrid, digital, analog, general purpose. Friends, our answer is digital. Next question. Choose the odd one out. Microcomputer, mini computer, supercomputer, digital computer, notebook computer. Friends, our answer is digital computer. Next question. A hybrid computer is the one having the combined properties of dash super and a microcomputer, mini and a microcomputer, analog and digital computers, super and mini computers, none of the above. Friends, our answer is analog and digital computers. Next question, which types of computer are used in hospital like ECG and DILYSIS, digital, hybrid, analog, microcomputer? Friends, your answer is hybrid. Next question, general purpose computers are used for dash, creating a small database, performs calculation, a counting, a accounting, all of the above. Friends, your answer is all of the above. Next question, which is not the example of a special purpose computer? Automatic aircraft landing, word processor, multimedia computer, all the above. Friends, your answer is word processor. Next question, which type of computer is used in automatic aircraft landing? General computer, supercomputer, special purpose computer, microcomputer? Friends, your answer is special purpose computer. Next question, which of the following is the smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working? Supercomputer, quantum computer, Param 10,000, IBM chips, none of these. Friends, your answer is quantum computer. Next question, in which of the following computers are used? Banking, education, officer, all of these? Friends, your answer is all of these. Next question, it is the science that attempts to produce machine that display the same type of intelligence that humans do dash? Nanoscience, nanotechnology, simulation, artificial intelligence? Friends, your answer is artificial intelligence. Next question, which of the following deals with the design, construction, operation and use of robots? Robotics, artificial intelligence, nanocomputer, quantum computer? Friends, your answer is robotics. तो फ्रेंड्स यही आमर 40 इंपोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चन जीके क्वेश्चन मुख्य विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रे आस्ते। तो फ्रेंड्स आशा करुच्ची भिडियोटी आपको भल लगी भिडियोटी आपने किसी ना कि शिक्षा पाई तो भिडियोटी लाइक और सांगन सहित शेयर करा भूलेनि जहाद्वारा आपण सांगने इंपोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चन को पाइपर। तो फ्रेंड्स प्रतिदिन ये इंपोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चन एवं एजुकेशनल न्यूज अपडेट में आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ। तो फ्रेंड्स भिडियोटी रखा, धन्यवाद।